Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope all is well. Today we will discuss about crop production and management, which is chapter number 1 of our grade 8 science book. But before starting our class, I will share some tips with you to protect yourself and others around you from COVID-19 or novel coronavirus. The very first thing you have to do is you have to follow the directions of your local health authorities. You have to stay home, keep a safe distance with everyone, wash hands often, cover your mouth while sneezing and coughing, and if you are sick, call the helpline. So now we will start our chapter, crop production and management. Starting from the food. Food is one of the basic necessity of life for all living beings. We all know that all living organisms need food. And food is the basic necessity of life. Why do we need food? As we all know that we need food for getting energy. And we need energy for carrying out all the body functions such as digestion, respiration and excretion. We need food for our growth and the proper functioning of our body. One more function of food is food protects the body against diseases. So I hope now you have understood why do we need food, what is the function of food in our body. Now coming to the next point, from where we get food. We all know that only green plants are able to make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But all the living organisms, all the other animals, including human being, depends directly or indirectly on plants for their food needs. So students, we all need food. And you all are well aware of the large population of our country. So, how can we provide food to such a large number of people? Obviously, by producing food on large scale, we will be able to provide food to such a large number of population. To fulfill the requirement of such a large population, increased production, proper management and distribution of food is required. A regular production is required and we have not only to produce the food but we have to take care of its management also, its distribution also and its proper storage is also required. So students, crop production means agriculture. And this is only we will learn in this agriculture. So let us start. Starting from the history, till 10,000 BC, the nomadic people wandered from place to place in search of food and shelter. The people who have no permanent homes and continuously move from one place to another are called nomads or wanderers. They used to continuously move or wander in groups from one place to another place in search of food and shelter. These nomadic people ate raw fruits and vegetables found in nature and they also started hunting animals for food. Later, they settled near the sources of water, such as rivers, and started cultivating land to produce wheat and rice. Slowly, they learnt farming and started growing wheat and rice. Then after, they also started domesticating animals to meet their requirement. And this way, the human becomes food producers from food gatherers. Now, to fulfill our requirement, food growing and domesticating animals comes under agriculture. Agriculture means that growing food or growing crops in the field for obtaining food like wheat and rice, this is called agriculture. Agriculture is called kheti bari or krishi in Hindi. And in this chapter, we will describe the various agricultural practices only. You can define agriculture as it is an applied science that deals with the mass production of crop plants and animals useful to human beings. Now, many times I have used a term crop. So, what is crop? The plants of the same kind grown at one place on a large scale is called crop. For example, crop of wheat means all the plants grown in the field are of wheat. I repeat, crop of wheat means all the plants grown in the field are of wheat. The product of cultivated plant is called crop produce. The product of cultivated plant is called crop produce. Example, if we grow wheat crop, we get wheat. We get wheat grains from them, isn't it? So that is the crop produce. Similarly, corn grains from corn crops is crop produce. So I hope it is very clear till here, agriculture and crop. In our next video, we will be learning about the different kinds of crop. Till then, keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.